This is to give you a brief overview of how you can be using Google Earth now and also for the presentation of the knowledge. So the first thing we need to do in Google Earth is to create a name for the title, which would be Rangitoto, and make sure that you understand you can flick between the 3D view and the 2D view. This is confusing. When you're in the 3D view, it's got 2D here. Why would you want to do it in 3D? Is so when you've found your place for your visitor center, you're going to create the visitor center in Minecraft. So this 3D view will enable you to go in to the terrain and have a closer look of what's around the visitor center that you're going to create in Minecraft. It also gives you a better idea of the height of things, so that you can make it fit in to the natural environment that there. Remember, your visitor center mustn't stand out. It must be really easy to see, yet stay in the environment. Then the other things you have to do, and we can flick into the 2D view, which makes it a little bit easier to move through, is we're identifying things like power sources. We could put a little wave barrage here, and then it would generate electricity that would run the visitor center. Now, when you drop a tab like this, okay, when you're clicking on that, this is what you're going to be expected to do. You're going to be generating knowledge through videos and through a writing down of the knowledge that you've collected on the trip. Apart from that, you need to get all the data, all the knowledge from the trip. When you're on the trip, you're taking photos so that you can set up guided tours around that, highlighting and explaining landscape features, which makes up part of the level 2 geography assessment for an external. And it's going to be presented on here, on Google Maps, and in Minecraft. That's what you're doing.